Oh yeah. Just gently warming her up. Oh, awesome timing. Oh, that's insane. Man, look at that. Hey, you were stuck between a rock and a hard place, you know? Getting the tow rope out. Stop here, make sure. Oh, let me see if I...
you almost. Oh, that was sketchy.
Yeah, you just broke something bad. I don't know. Does she still seem to turn? Nope. Something's not right.
Well, we're gonna make it to our friends and
I told you though. Okay, well, you know, it is what it is. I told you so. And...
Yep, you did.
Alright, let's see the damage. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, that's not bad.
Fine.
Yo, what the fuck is going on here?
We broke our sway bar. What's going on? We have no front link anymore.
Oh.
So,
Oh. No, we haven't done that before. We've lost the nut before. We haven't
yeah, we'll
actually...
be able to make it back, but it won't work, you know.
Just go in reverse.
What happened? Did you break the thread?
No, the strut tower's fine. We're good.
That's only for high speed, like.
No, it does everything. That's our complete front link.
High speed. Did it just snap?
Hey, our energy drinks are okay, so you know, we're fine.
We'll get it back to camp.
It's sheared.
It's sheared where the nut is secured.
Yeah, clean shear.
Oh, you hit that good, huh?
You almost flipped.
Not almost.
That was. It's alright. You pulled it. Broken things.
Broken sway bar.
That's actually not too bad. I was expecting, I thought our entire strut assembly would just be like gone or
She's
something.
like, dude, Well, once it happened, I tried straightening it out, and it kept.
Yeah, it
on
kept going.
so
I was like, oh no, you broke
no.
something bad.
Oh well. We'll be back at camp drinking beers.
Yeah.
Hey, actually, we can hop in the back of your bus.
Let's go.
Right? Hey, I'm down
Let
for
me get this
that.
back to the camp, and then we'll hop in the car.
First things first, right?
Get out, dude, for you is just to go to Circle Canyon and drive out, right?
Yeah, go this way.
Right?
She did tell me. She's like, that's a bad idea.
You know, of all the things to break, and the places to break, and the ways to break, I'm okay with this one. It was well deserved, you know.
It's only 1/4 of the car.
Yeah, exactly. Now we ratchet strap it together.
Just for the ride. Back to camp.
So we found a weak point.
Yeah, I knew that was a weak point.
Well, yeah.
Alright.
She's all strapped up. Hopefully she makes it. Still all smiles here. I told you not to do it.
I'll do it again.
Do it again. We made it to Circle Canyon.
Yep.
So hey, much better than our strut assembly, you know, going, right?
Yep.
That was the hardest hit the dust buggy's ever taken, huh?
I guess.
I guess. Or just all of them added up, you know. Yeah, I'm trying. Oh yeah. Look at that snow. And of course the 23 window. That thing is so cool. Look Look at him go. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. We got Baja bus, we got a 23 window bus, and we got some boarding going on. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right? Beautiful. People are like, Californians are strange.
Yeah, we don't get snow.
Right? So when we do, it's like, oh. Yeah, exactly. Oh, nice. There we go. Oh, yeah. He's like, how do I get the other way? I wonder how long that snowman will last. So you broke the dust buggy.
Oh,
Naughty boy.
yes.
On the last day of the year. She just couldn't wait one day longer. She's like, alright, now. I don't know, I feel like it was just bound to happen, to be honest. Like, anyone who's followed us on our YouTube the past year probably, yeah, probably has been like, alright, what the hell? These people have to break sometime. Well, that's it, you guys, for our Hungry Valley snow excursion.
Yeah.
That was pretty fun. It didn't last very long.
check it out. My ice just lived.
Let's take out the snowman.
Look at my ice just lived.
Oh yes. Do you want me to get third person view?
Oh, yes.
Or do you think?
Yes, third person.
Of course we took out the snowman. Oh my god, that's the funniest photo. Stop, stop. Look at that, that is freaking hilarious. We've been wanting to do that all day.
Murderer.
I know, and you've got the blood all over to prove it. And the cavalry comes in. He almost took out your cooler.